from Ukraine, we're traveling a few thousand kilometers to Brazil, and to Rafaela, who is the co-founder of the IDGX and the Brazilian Experience. She's a human developer working also in international education. You are a network weaver, Rafaela, and you are also the initiator of the Florianopolis IDG Hub. And I am so honored to be working alongside with you as a global co-coordinator together with you. I'm happy to hear your story.
So we do need better leaders, don't we? In Brazil, we have a huge community of hubs. And when I initiated the hub in Florianopolis, we started to dream that we wanted to inspire other people based on our belief that the change we want to see in the world start from the inside out. We wanted to provide them with tools and engage this community to promote the change. We were a group of people who started to dream together. Alex and Maíra are here. Leo is watching us, and there are so many Brazilians here too, and also watching. Yes. And we then started to design this journey, and we have a common background on Theory U. So we designed it starting with the thinking dimension, introducing and talking about the meta crisis, talking about the IDGs and how we got here, then creating space for our participants to relate during this immersive experience we created, to get to know each other, to build trust, and then going into being. What are your core values? What is important to you? After that, we started to invite them to collaborate, looking into the SDGs and what are the limiting paradigms that brought us here to this moment, and what are the alternative thoughts that we need to nurture to create a better future. Later, invite them to action. Oops. How do I play this? Well, our immersion is held in nature. We chose to do that in nature because we feel it's the best environment for people to reconnect with themselves. It is a 3-day immersion, and we have leaders coming from the industry, from the private sector, from educational institutions, public institutions, consultants, facilitators. To learn together, we wanted to have multiple stakeholders as well as NGOs coming with us to learn together and see the system. What are the challenges and needs of all those different stakeholders? This is our first cohort that we had last year in December, and our second cohort in April this year. And the ripple effect, we saw the participants from our immersion is holding lectures, giving classes inside universities, bringing it to the B Corps movement, to the Conscious Capitalism Initiative. And we brought together the two cohorts to meet each other. And from this meeting, the community suggested, let's start a series of talks and inspire other leaders for regenerative leadership. And we've had a series of 6 calls already. And one of the outcomes of it was also that the largest oil company in Brazil has revealed their skills framework inspired by the IDGs. So let's not give up. Let's nurture hope, and we will be able to change this.
Thank you, Rafaela, for the story about Brazil.